artists began signing their work during the Renaissance. So now, especially with this modern forms of art, you can sign things in all different ways. So for book folding in particular, I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can use to sign. One of my favorite ways is with my business card. I simply take double-sided tape, run it across, and place it in the inside cover. That way they can contact me for additional books or information. Another way is by using this embossing tool. One of my really good friends named Julie gave this to me for my birthday years ago, and I absolutely love it. So you can do it directly on the paper, or you can take these gold seals and go ahead and center it, and then you're going to press all the way down. Now these embossing tools you can purchase online. Vistaprint is one of the places. And then you can place the seal in your book. Like so. How beautiful is that? Now if you prefer, you can use your embossing tool directly. I like to do it on that first page. So in this case, it's on this beautiful blue. Again, center it where you want. Press all the way down. And then you have your beautiful seal right in your book. Or you can go the more traditional route and sign it with your name. Usually it's customary to sign it on the bottom left or the bottom right, but with modern art you can really do whatever you like. I like to do my first initial, my last name, and the year that I created this. So for this in particular, I created this in 2024. So I like to do my initial, last name, and the year I created it. So you can use any form of any of these methods, or all of them, or none of them. That's the beautiful thing with book folding. It's really totally up to you how you want to sign your art. Happy folding.